Hey you guys, what's up? So I am coming at you with a crazy fun Squirtle look because we have something sitting in front of us that is screaming to my childhood. I have sitting in front of me the entire Colourpop Pokemon collection. This is so nostalgic for me, you guys. I saw this collection and I had to go pick up all of it. Just so you guys know, right off the bat, I purchased all of this collection with my own money. Colourpop did not send this to me, so I just wanted to make that very, very clear. I also wanted to put a little disclaimer that the lighting is very weird throughout this video. It was raining this day, which contributes to my room being a lot darker, which then contributes to crappy lighting. So I am so sorry about that. I cannot control the weather. But yeah, this collection is just screaming to my childhood nostalgia, you guys. I can remember waking up on Saturday mornings around like 8 or 9 in the morning, going to Toys R Us and participating in the Pokemon community there. Everybody would meet there and it was like a whole thing. They would play the card game. I had no clue how to play that card game, you guys. I just loved collecting the cards, trading the cards with friends, and just loved the whole just the Pokemon. They're so cute. But yeah, I can remember being in elementary school and having like a binder full of like plastic sheets that had Pokemon cards in each one. I had some really, really rare ones, stuck it in my locker one day and the entire binder got stolen. My mom went up to the school. It was a whole thing. Anyway, let's jump into this Pokemon Colourpop collection. Okay, so they are giving you guys 3 cream blushes in this collection. The first one we have is called Metronome, and the attention to detail on the outside component, you guys, this is so cute. And it is like that on every single one, except it's different for each Pokemon. So adorable. The attention to detail, I love it. So this one is called Metronome. Let's open it up. And it looks like that. Super cute. I do have this one on my cheeks today. It looks a little something like that. And we have all of the pink Pokemon from the first generation right there at the top. So adorable. This one looks a little something like this. There's a finger swatch. And it is very translucent when it goes on. So it's nothing to be scared of. And it is buildable. So if you want a little bit more opacity, there you go. Here we have Hypnosis, which has a little Gengar on the front. Super cute. And I have not used this one yet. I have swatched it, but I've not used it. It is purple. And it's got all the little purple Pokemon up there at the top. Let's go ahead and swatch this. And I'm going to go in a second time just to build that up a little bit so you guys can see. Super pretty. Next we have Electro Ball, and it's got a little Pikachu on the front. Super cute. And opening it up, all the little Pikachus up there at the top. So cute. And this is a red cream blush, and it looks a little something like this. Moving right along, we've got the You're a Catch Berry Lip Mask. And you guys, this is so adorable. As you can see, it is a little Pokeball. And it looks a little something like that. That is so cute. I am dying. This collection is so adorable. And this smells fantastic, you guys. Next, we have 3 of their Transforming pH lip balms. These are so adorable. I will be keeping this packaging forever. It is so cute. Let's start with the Pikachu here. It is called Thunderbolts. And I have not used these, guys, and I do not know if I will use these. They are so beautiful. Looks a little something like that. So cute. And you guys, it is so stunning. Next we have Sing, which has a cute little Jigglypuff on it. So adorable. And here is what this one looks like. so stunning. I feel like you guys can't see the true beauty of these lip balms. They are just so, so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, so stunning. Next we have Transform, and it's got a little ditto. I feel like my camera is not focusing like it should be. And this one looks a little something like this. Super cute. And wait for it, you guys. Oh my gosh. So stunning. It is just so beautiful. Next in the collection, we've got the Ultra Glossy Lip Trio, and it's got 3 of my favorites on the front. We've got Jolteon, Flareon, and Vaporeon. And these are called Thunderstone, Firestone, and Waterstone. I do have on Waterstone today. It's a little hard to see though because I do have on the blue. But these are so, so beautiful. They are kind of a tinted lip gloss. So let me swatch these for you guys really quick. Here we have Waterstone, and it's got Vaporeon all on the lid. Super cute. And it looks a little something like this. So it is just kind of a slightly tinted gloss, but it is so beautiful. Next, we've got Firestone, the Flareons. And this one kind of has an orangey tint to it. So, so pretty. And last but not least, we have Thunderstone, which has the little Jolteons all over it. And I have not swatched this one yet, so this is a treat for both of us. Oh, wow. That has some beautiful glitter in it. Kind of hard to see, but it's got some pinky orangey glitter in there. So, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Next in the collection, we have 3 Super Shock shadows. This one is called Hydro Pump. It's got a little squirtle on the front there. And I do have this one on my eyes today. Looks like that. And this is your typical Colourpop kind of formula. It's got that kind of soft jelly, kind of hard to explain. It's almost moussey. And it looks like that. Super, super pretty. And these are buildable as well. So if you want a little pop of color, there you go. But then you can also build it up to make it more intense. Next is Flamethrower. Cute little Charmander. And it looks like that. Super cute packaging. And swatched. Looks like that. So, so pretty. I'm going to do one more build up kind of swatch. Very, very pretty. And then last but not least, we have Solar Beam with a little Bulbasaur on the front. I have not swatched this one, so we are going to be in for a treat together. But packaging so stunning again, with the little leaf on the front. Here's what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Wow, that is blinding. Ooh. And I'm going to do one more build-up swatch. Oh my gosh. Those are blinding, you guys. Wow. It is so, so stunning. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Last but not least, in the Pokemon Colourpop collection, we have this humongous Pokemon palette. And this, oh my God, you guys, this is called Palette Town. I died. So, so adorable. And then here is the back with all of the shades and the shade names with a little Snorlax. So, so cute. My inner child is literally screaming. So opening up this palette, here's what it looks like on the front. So, so adorable. Oh my gosh. And then you guys wait for it. This palette is so, so gorgeous. Here is what it looks like. So, so pretty. So it's got the little packaging with all the Pokemon at the top. And then here are all of the shades. You have some metallic shimmers in there, some mattes, So beautiful. I do want to swatch these for you guys though, so you can see what we're working with pigment wise. So here is the first row, and all of the shade names have to do with Pokemon, obviously. So up at the top, we've got Evolution, then we've got Cerulean City, St. Anne, and then the bottom one is called Indigo League. Moving right along to that second row, the top shade is called Celadon City. Then we've got Tall Grass, Viridian City, and Fainted. So pretty. Here is the third row, the purples. First, we've got Jelly Donut, then we've got Blasting Off, Lavender Town, and Drying Pan. Next, we have the pink row. You guys, this top shade, oh my gosh, it is blinding. That one is called Gym Leader. Then we have Pokemon Center, Fuchsia City, and Pewter City. Pewter City has some beautiful flakes of glitter in it. This is a beautiful row. So this next row that we are about to swatch has a cute little Pokeball stamped in it. So adorable. And here is that row swatched. So the first one is a little hard to see because it's my skin tone. That's called Fossil. The next one is called Vermilion City. Then the red one is called I Choose You. And then down at the bottom, we have Cinnabar Island. Then for the very last row, so pretty. The top shade is called Elite Four. Then we have Saffron City, Champion, and Trainer's Path. This is such a stunning palette, you guys. I am in love. Oh my gosh. If you'd like to see a makeup tutorial using some of the items from the Pokemon Colourpop collection and see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. Okay, so what I'm taking first is this cream blush right here. This is called Metronome, and there's what it looks like. So super cute. Okay, so the first shade I'm taking is Cerulean City, and I am just placing that right up here. I did sketch out a shape, like a squiggly shape using some blue primer, and now I'm just kind of fading that out. Now I'm going with SS Anne, and I'm just going to deepen that up a little bit. Now I'm taking Evolution, and I'm just going to place that right underneath my brow. So now I'm taking Indigo League and literally just deepening up this funky shape even more. Taking more of that blue primer. This is the Hank and Henry Color Canvas Paint. I'm taking more of that, and I'm just filling in this entire lid shape and kind of cleaning up that area that butts up against that darkest line. And now I'm going back in with Indigo League, that same dark blue, and I'm just placing this all in this area, but I am leaving a little space in between. And then going back in with Evolution, I'm just packing that onto that blue primer line. So now I'm just taking a little bit of Hydro Pump and just placing that right in here, like so. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is a fun blue ombre kind of lip. And then we are going to top that off with the shade Waterstone from the Glossy Lip Trio. Now for the fun part, we are going to do a little Squirtle on our eye. And here is the final look using the Colourpop Pokemon collection. Super fun. And we have some Pokemon water nails to match. Super cute. And you can go over to my Instagram to see how I did these nails. Let me know down in the comments below if you're going to pick this collection up and what your favorite Pokemon is. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.